it's a pretty huge piece of earth which has emerged from the sea. Now, I spoke to an expert, a geologist, and he said it is a normal activity, but there could be some threat from the island as well because of the seismic activity under the sea, and that's the reason the island which came up, it's not brown, the color of the mud. They say it's whitish. So it's some sort of mineral which has erupted and it has come up above the sea. So Rizwan, it's not in the deep sea. It's shallow water, about 2 kilometers from the seashore in Angol, in Balochistan. So and there's a lot of fishing community. They said they are scared that it will explode one day, which would mean much more devastation.
Certainly, and we're seeing some strange pictures as well of these small eruptions from under the ground, and you mentioned that it is white in most places, this island. Do you have any information what that might be, Masroor?
Well, nobody has been able to actually go to the island. It's about 3 hours drive from here, and then you have to take a boat and reach the island.
Okay.
So it might take a day or two before the experts could reach there. The Navy and all these people, they are already there, and but the initial reports that say that it could be some sort of danger. Now, this thing emerged 12 years ago, they say, and it remained there for 4 or 5 months, and it sort of went back. I mean, one could be lucky, if it remains there, you get more property.
Certainly, very interesting story there, Masroor. And hopefully we'll get back to you in the next couple of days. As you mentioned, no scientific teams have yet been able to arrive at the island to carry out some sort of experiments, but we'll talk to Masroor